Hello everyone, this is Shumita Roy from Indian Folk, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a very interesting concept, the paradox of plenty. So let's look at these two oil-rich countries, Venezuela and Norway. Venezuela is a country in Latin America which struck liquid gold back in 1920s. It has the world's largest amount of oil reserve. But currently Venezuela is reeling under recession and inflation. However, this despondent situation can be attributed to a variety of factors like poor governance, politics, corruption. But there comes a very interesting concept in the scene, the paradox of plenty. So this refers to a contradictory phenomenon where countries which are often blessed with abundance of natural resources fails to fare well economically. This happens because of inefficient investment in diverse sectors. Like when a country realizes that it has a plenty of a particular natural resource, it tends to shift all its dependency over that resource. And when the price of the resource or the commodity tumbles, the entire economy collapses, leading to recession. And this is what has happened in Venezuela. The government has placed over-reliance on the oil and gas sector, failing to diversify its investment in other sectors, which led to the recession, with 90% of the people of Venezuela living below poverty line. Another reason behind occurrence of such phenomenon is the increase in the exchange rate. Because of the increase in the demand for export of the abundant natural resource in the country, the value of the local currency goes up, which disturbs the price competitiveness of the local produce and imports in the country. And thus, the manufacturing sector of the country faces a huge hit, and this is called a Dutch disease. On the contrary, we can see how well Norway has steered clear of falling prey to such disease by investing the return from the oil and gas sector of its country into the sovereign wealth fund, and the fund accumulated there are invested in the international financial market. This phenomenon can also be checked by increasing the tax rates as followed by the Botswanan economy. And we can see from the countries like Botswana and Norway that the abundance of resources is not a curse. It depends on how you utilize or manage the resources you have. From this we can learn that it's not about what we possess, it's about how we utilize what we have. For more such updates, do visit indianfolk.com and follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel.